Today we are continue working on the C# tutorial, and I found I forgot to add the hit effects. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Shuriken particle system to create a hit effect. So to create a hit effect, we need to open the TapToBreakC script, and we need to make it editable. And open this one. I apologize for the noise in the background because my girlfriend is fixing her hair. It should be done soon. Anyway, so back to here. Where we should add the hit effects whenever the hit happens. So it will be the smash when, as long as the HP is not 0, then we should spawn a hit effects in here, and we need to make a public gain object in here. Let's call it effects. So simply copy this one. Actually, yeah, we can spawn in here in object effects temp equal to instantiate effects hit point. That's where we want to make it spawn. And transform. We don't need to make it rotate, so we're just using quaternion identity and spawn as a gain object. Then back to the scene, we need to create a particle effect in here. So in here, my suggestion is always create an empty prefab in here. It's easier for you to create a more complicated particle effects or any kind of effects. So we name it as star effects underscore hit. Okay, that's it. And then we create a particle system under it and put under this one and set to the 0, 0, 0. Set to the 0. So you can see some particle over there. So duration we set to 0, actually 0.1, and we will cancel the loop later on, but right now we just make it looping and the pre-warm. The lifetime we can set to around the 0.75. Speed we can remain like this right now. Actually we set to 0, maybe 5 is okay. Star size set to like this, and local is fine. So we are going to have some kind of a burst effects. So create this kind of burst effects, we can use, let's try circle first and make a radius bigger. You can check this one in the sim, see how it looks like. So radius may be too big right now. We set it to the 0.1. It's hard to see in here, so we need to move in the front. Click on the particle system and move in the front, so it's easier for you to see. Because our camera is always facing this one, we won't change. So we need to consider where the camera is. Otherwise, if you click on the object, it will based on where you hit. It based on the position where you hit. So sometimes the particle will spawn inside the object, you won't see it. So therefore, we set this one to 0, 0, 0. It will spawn, even it spawn inside, but this one is always in the front. So if we want to make a burst, the easiest way is set this one to 0 and click this one, and set this one, try 10. Immediate front edge should be okay. And the size over lifetime, we make it from bigger to small. Okay, so looks like it. And color over lifetime, we might want to set to like a blend in. So we set this to no transparent, I mean full transparent, and also set this one to full transparent. So it won't pop up in the beginning, it will blend in. And right now we want to make it maybe a little bit small. So try 0. 0 is okay. And give some limitation for the velocity. That might be too much. Let's try dampen to 0.5, 0.2, 0.1, and increase the speed to 10. And give the dampen a little bit up and make the lifetime shorter. Too short. Okay, it looks okay right now. So we cancel this looping and try to simulate again. Looks not too bad. So we drag this one to make a prefab. Now we can cancel, we can delete this one, save the project, save the sim, hit the Command S. So click on the camera. We drag this FX hit to here. See how it looks like in the game. So each time you click, it will spawn a particle, and also you can see the score you get. Of course, you can polish this particle as many as you want, or you can polish to any kind of style. Also, for the score, you can also make it disappear, fade out, or have some animation. You can do whatever you want.